How's it going, guys? It's me again, the Full 9 MC, aka the Dr. Dirt, back with another Five Nights at Freddy's. Night 3. Alright, guys, so night 2, that was a mistake. Something happened with the recording software, to where it only recorded a minute of the footage. And I did survive, as you can see. This game is actually pretty hard, but slash easy. I got kind of scared a lot. Yeah. So, it's daytime right now for me. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Let's continue on with night 3. I've been left on my own now, so from now on. That's why you won't hear the guy talking anymore. Because of that very reason. I'm a little bit nervous about it, too. How's your guys' day been? Mine's been okay. Just kind of relaxing. This game's actually pretty scary, and during daytime even. Not sure if it's just because of my age, or if it's because of the gameplay, or just the music, or anything in general. I don't know. Okay, so night 3, it starts off with a big. Wait, I get a call? It's night 3. He said I'm on my own. Hey.
Hello. Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long.
Last?
I mean, you know, they usually move on to other things by now.
Are you sure?
I'm not implying that they died. That's
Lag.
real tonight. Hey, listen,
Alright.
I had an idea. If you happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuffed into a Freddy suit, try playing dead. You know, go limp. Then there's a chance that maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal skeleton into you. I wonder how that would work.
Oh.
Yeah, never mind. Scratch that. It's best just not to get caught. Okay, I'll leave you to it. See you on the flip side.
Do not talk like you're in the 80s. It just scares me even more. Ducky there. Alright. I'm getting better at power saving in this in the game. It's very it's actually a lot harder than each night goes on, because you have to focus on so many things at once. Alright, sit up here for a few seconds. Let's see. He's not there anymore. Alright. So basically all you need to do to bring up the camera is drag it down. I kind of want to give instructions on how this game works. That way you get a better idea and sense of what's supposed to happen. Oh god. So when so I guess when you want to bring up the security cameras, all you gotta do is see that little thing. You just gotta put your mouse over it, and then it becomes playable object. All right, there he is. Where's Bunny at? Where's Bugs Bunny at? Alright, I don't see him down there. Alright, he's up there. Alright, cool. I'm doing good so far. I only need to keep track of these 3 cameras. Alright. Oh, come on! You move that fast. Alright, he's there. Alright. He's not. Wolf is not out. You know what? I'm coming up with a name in a few seconds for that guy. Alright, so I don't know what it is. This game makes me nervous. I'm very confused on Let's Eat. A little bit kind of funny. That's kind of funny, actually. I have to say that's a really good design part on the creators idea, or like developer side. It's like Let's Eat. It's pretty funny. Alright, come on. I'm so nervous. Alright, I hear him. I think I know why the sound goes up so high whenever I'm talking. It just because like whenever I'm hear him digging around. Alright. I'm getting a little bit looser about this. The audio enhances as the night progresses. And as the guys get closer and closer to you. A little bit scared about over there. Alright. Ducky's the only one, not Ducky, Creepy Big Bird. Sorry guys, just really, not really in the mood for calling you by your true names. Alright. Good. Thank you, giant Creepy Big Bird. I love you. Creepy Big Bird is the best. Creepy Big Bird is the best. I wonder what songs they actually have to sing during the routines. Honestly, it's kind of interesting thinking about that, because the guy said they have a whole routine all set up for it, like where they have to sing in front of children. But what songs do they sing in front of the children? I'm blind right now. I'm blind to the ducky. There's no, like, hints that he's there. You just have to click on the light. That's pretty much it. Yeah, to push the button, it's obviously you have to push the actual button on your screen. Put that down. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are the basic controls. Screw you. Let's see. Alright, 4 a.m. Doing pretty well. You're wasting all my battery, man. I'm trying to be ultimate power saver right now. Alright. Crap. Cramp! Cramp! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm so scared. I am so scared. I don't know what to do with my head. My brain is telling me to run, but my mind is telling me to fight. Don't know what to do at this time. That creepy duck is trying to scare. That creepy duck is trying to kill me tonight. I'm gonna run away, hope it doesn't come back today. Oh, hey, oh. Alright, Bugs Bunny and Giant Teddy Bear. Go. Oh, cool. You're right there. Thanks, bud. Thanks, bud. I love you. You know what? I love these characters because they're so creepy. But they have that design aspect that just makes them really scary and creepy. The music that comes along with them, it's amazing, but at the same time, it just freaks you out to half to death. So this game is not for the faint of heart. You're the one that's trying to kill me all tonight. Alright, almost at night 4, guys. You know what? I'm gonna make this episode two different things. That way I don't leave you guys behind in the death. So I'm gonna do night 4 also, just because. You know what? It's useful. Crap. Lovely. I love you. Hugs. Hugs and kisses. Alright, hugs and kisses, Ben. I love you. You're my favorite. You're the bestest teddy bear anyone could ask. I always get lucky. Don't you ever notice that? Like, whenever something like bad's about to happen, I always get lucky. This game's just programmed for me to love it. Alright, let's continue with night 4. I don't want to split this off because I don't want to. That's kind of the recording software messed up before. So, yeah. I'm pretty good at this game. Dude, I get lucky. Okay, night 2, that same exact thing happened. I didn't realize that I ran out of power completely. I was at 0%. Then, at that exact same time, they appeared. I was watching I was watching the camera, and then I was also watching the door. I was like, alright, time to get back into this. This guy's not... Why does this guy call me every single night? That makes sense. Alright, they're still there. Night 4 is the most dangerous night I've heard. Well, I've watched, too. Yeah, I've watched this game a few times. Aww. Okay, I feel bad for that guy. Honest to God. Come on, no. I feel bad for that guy. Bad creepy duck. Bad creepy duck. Bad creepy big bird. Bad creepy big bird. I loved you. Now I hate you. You're my freaking worst nightmare. I loved you in the first round because you're a smiling face. Don't show me the pearly whites, they're freaky. It kind of reminds me of their like eyes, like it looks like they have 2 black eyes for some reason. Alright. Bunny's out. Freddy's not off stage. Alright. Cool. That's cool with me. I haven't died yet, which is good, which is kind of bad at the same time, because it's not as entertaining as I remember it to be. The first time I played this, it was like, alright, 1 a.m., I'm doing pretty well. What? No! Crap. A little bit of lag spikes happening near night 5. I'm almost at 5 nights with Freddy. Alright. Bunny. Alright, so I'm really only have to worry about a creepy big bird at the moment. I don't know. Honestly, this... So I'm really only have to worry about a creepy big bird at the moment. I don't know. Honestly, this... Alright, that's actually kind of funny. They're going... I don't know. It's those little aspects. They just kind of make it hilarious. So creepy big bird, he's been the most trouble for me. He was a troubled child or animatronic character as when he was younger. Night 5 is my final night here. I think, unless there's more. I've heard there's more. But honestly, do I really want to come back to this game? Nuh-uh. You're not making me become a security guard again. Crap, why can't I open this thing? The GUI's not working. Crap, all the security cameras are disabled. Crap, this isn't even lag either. Like, this isn't lag either, because you can just see me move around. What I'm confused on is on why the head tracker isn't that fast. It's like literally the speed of this. Huh. This is the whole entire speed that I can go. Huh. Alright. Just stay here and wait for my inevitable demise. Alright. So, where's the Wolfie? Where's Wolfie? I'm not calling him Wolfie. Let's call him, something else. You know what? Because he's a wolf, let's name him... Or her, actually. Is it a her? You can't really tell with animatronics, can't you? Why can't I open this? There's some kind of weird I'm not sure if it's a glitch. But it does save me a little bit more power than... I wonder if there's some way to tell if they're there or not. Completely legitimately tell if they're there. I mean, like, imagine if there was like some kind of like shadow thingy that you could like just instantly tell if they were there. I'm literally not able to open up the GUI. Kind of makes it boring that I'm not dying at the moment, but alright. Hate you, bunny. Alright. Now you can only check on the doors, which sucks. It's weird. I have actually a pretty good reaction time to a lot of this stuff, which is kind of cool. It's weird. I have actually a pretty good reaction. Professional gamer. Professional gamer for the win. Hiding from horrible animatronics since 2000 something. A long, long time ago in a galaxy not so far away. I don't know. Honestly, I've heard that before. Not that long ago, like 2 or 3 days ago, there once was a princess. Alright, come on. I believe in magic. Do you want me to celebrate for you or something? Celebrate my own death? Thanks, bud. 5 AM, guys. You know what? Should I just allow him to walk in that way and have that feeling that he's... Oh, never mind. I can't let him walk in. Oh, God. Frick. I can't look. I couldn't look at the cameras. Dang it. Fatality. No, alright. Dang it. Alright. Night 4. Should I jump back in? Yeah, I'll jump back in. Here we are. Dang it. Alright. I'm gonna just cut till we're near 5 AM. See you guys in a sec. Speeding up. Alright. Hi there, bud. Hi there, bud. Actually, no, I'm not speaking. Not at all. You guys are sticking with me for the whole thing. Wait, he's watching me now. You know what? I'm not gonna cut. I'm just gonna speed this up. Alright? So we don't have to worry about a thing. And you guys can know how I got there. That way it doesn't look like I cheated. Alright. Speeding up. Need a hug. Pretty badly. Crap. Creepy. Hi there, buddy. Hi there, buddy. Actually, no. I'm not speeding this up. Not at all. No. you guys are sticking with me for the whole thing. Wait, he's watching me now. Mom, help me. I'm a little bit scared. Please hold me. I need a hug. Crap. Need a hug pretty badly. Crap. Since when do animatronics know how to turn off cameras? Big Bird is on. I'm not sure if he's near my blind spot area. If he is, then that's pretty bad. I have to say, hey bud. Crap, lag, no, not right now. I hate lag. It's his deal. Go ninja, go. I just hit 0 FPS. Alright, he's done. Crap, I can't see the camera anymore. Got my ability to see the camera in Fortnite 4. Big Bird is on the loose. Come on, like as soon as the lag he's near my blind spot area. But if he is, then that's pretty bad. I have to say. This is joke. Crap, lag. No, not right now. I hate lag. Come on, turn off the light. Turn off the freaking light. Go ninja, go. I just hit 0 FPS. Crap, I can't see the camera anymore. It cut my ability to see the camera in Fortnite 4. Come on, like as soon as a lag burst happened, I can't see the camera. Otherwise stuff is bad. You'll run out of power. Tell me this is a joke. Stuff will get real. Alright, come on, turn off the light. Turn off the freaking light. Crap. Lag? Can't have the doors closed all the time, just so you know. Otherwise stuff bad. You'll run out of power and stuff will get real. Always being on. I actually don't really need to worry about knowing whether they're there or not. Lag? No. Simple fact that. Alright, that works. Alright, I get it. You're coming. Coming towards me. What's up, Bunny? Bugs Bunny. What's up, Doc? Catchphrases. What's kind of cool about the light always being on, that I actually don't really need to worry about knowing whether they're there or not, because it's for the simple fact that... Except for you, Big Bird. You're my one true love. Alright, that works. Come on. What's up, Bunny? Bugs Bunny. Banging on the door. What's up, Doc? Catchphrases. Do you need a therapist? Alright, 2 a.m. guys. Hey, Bugs Bunny. I hate all the animals here. Except for you, Big Bird. You're my one true love. This game produces a lot of lag. My one true love. That feeling was real because you know what? Banging on the door doesn't really help. Do you need a therapist? Alright, 2 a.m. guys. 45% ultimate power saver for the win. Why? So many lies. This game produces a lot of lies, dude. Sorry about that, guys. Turning off the fan. I wish that fan was real, because you know what, turning on my fan right now. It's kind of funny because I'm on YouTube right now, but at the same time it's kind of funny because honestly I'm not turning on real life fan. Alright, I'm not sure if you can hear that. Probably can. Sorry about that, guys. Turning off fan a little bit lower. Alright. Get that weird feeling that you're actually, like, when you're playing a game, you're like being watched by, like, you're just being watched. What? No. Which kind of funny because I'm
No,
on YouTube right now,
what?
but at the same time, it's kind of funny
No.
because
No, what?
honestly,
Oh, come
can't
on.
really beat that.
Alright, that works. You suck, duck. Aren't ducks birds or mammals?
3 a.m. Why can't the clock stop?
Comment down below whether ducks are birds or mammals. I'm
Suck.
very confused on that. I gotta do some research on
What? No.
that. 4 a.m.
No. What?
Gonna be the best day.
No. No. What? Oh, come on. Alright, that works.
You suck, duck. I'm only at 18%. Wolfie is
Aren't
probably
ducks
out.
birds or mammals? Inactive. Comment down below whether ducks are
why I got-
birds or mammals.
alright, so I
I'm
gotta
very
perfect
confused
my
on
skill a
that.
little
I
bit.
gotta do some research on that.
Alright,
4 a.m.
um,
Gonna be the
Alright,
best day
guys,
of
so
my
I'm gonna go figure this out, and probably that next episode I'll be in episode. I'll be
Alright,
in
nothing
day
there.
number 5. Yeah, day number 5.
Only at
So thank you
18%.
guys all so much for watching. Go check out my
Wolfie is
new
probably
Twitter,
out.
which will be down in the
Inactive.
description below, or you can go check it out. Like
That's why I got. Alright, so I gotta perfect my skill a little bit. All I do. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna go figure this out, and probably that next episode I'll be in day number 5. Yeah, day number 5. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Go check out my new Twitter, which will be down in the description below, or you can go check it out now. Like I'll say it now. Go check. Hey.
Hello. Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long.
Last?
I mean, you know, they usually move on to other things by now.
Are you sure?
I'm not implying that they die. That's
Lag.
real tonight. Hey, listen,
Alright.
I had an idea. If you happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuffed into a Freddy suit, try playing dead. You know, go limp. Then there's a chance that maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal skeleton into you. I wonder how that would work.
Oh.
Yeah, never mind. Scratch that. It's best just not to get caught. Okay, I'll leave you to it. See you on the flip side.
Do not talk like you're in the 80s. It just scares me even more. Ducky there. Alright. I'm getting better at power saving in this in the game. It's very it's actually a lot harder than each night goes on, because you have to focus on so many things at once. Alright, sit up here for a few seconds. Let's see. He's not there anymore. Alright. So basically all you need to do to bring up the camera is drag it down. I kind of want to give instructions on how this game works. That way you get a better idea and sense of what's supposed to happen. Oh god. So when so I guess when you want to bring up the security cameras, all you gotta do is see that little thing. You just gotta put your mouse over it, and then it becomes playable object. All right, there he is. Where's Bunny at? Where's Bugs Bunny at? Alright, I don't see him down there. Alright, he's up. I'm a little bit nervous about it too. How's your guys' day been? Mine's been okay. Just kind of relaxing. This game's actually pretty scary, and during daytime even. Not sure if it's just because of my age, or if it's because of the gameplay, or just the music, or anything in general. I don't know. Okay, so night 3, it starts off with a big. Wait, I get a call? It's night 3. He said I'm on my own. How's it going, guys? It's me again, the Full Night MC, aka the Dr. Dirt, back with another Five Nights at Freddys. Night 3. Alright, guys, so night 2, that was a mistake. Something happened with the recording software, to where it only recorded a minute of the footage. And I did survive, as you can see. This game is actually pretty hard, but slash easy. I got kind of scared a lot. Yeah. So, it's daytime right now for me. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Let's continue on with night 3. I've been left on my own now, so from now on. That's why you won't hear the guy talking anymore. Because of that very reason.